All right, so we're back, and we're just going to give a little scuff sand here on this edge. Now, when it comes to something like this, it is simply just an edge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to curve my sanding sponge like this, and it depresses on center, but it spreads out my PSI without burning my edges through. So I'll go like this, and I'll just go back, and then I'll just go back and forth, going up the whole length. Okay, and then I'll just go like this, forward and back, no sand throughs. This is so silky smooth right now. It's pretty crazy. It's really nice and smooth. And just hold on a second, I'll get the other piece. All right, so we got our gable, and it's the same kind of scenario. If you feel it, you can feel that it's rough. That's typical. Okay, the sealer coat. And so we're just going to scuff sand the edge, scuff sand the face. I'm just going to give this a slight break and give this a slight break, and then we'll flip it over and do the same. One thing I just noticed, I always do my backside first, so I will do that. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure you can see that in the picture. Yeah, good. Okay, so same thing. Just go backwards like that, and then run it across. Okay, beautiful. That feels so good. Okay, and now I'll start far back. Okay, I'm just going to grab that. Now I'm going finger pressure on here, going to that side, and my thumb pressure going on to this side. Okay, and this is all you need. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay, nice and smooth. Just give it a little extra oomph on the edges here, and then I'll just go really nice and quick, just like that. Just give it one more smooth over. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna break that edge. Feather light, just really feather light. All you're doing is just making it nice and smooth. That's all you're doing. Okay. Okay. So that's nice and broken. You feel rough on that one. Okay. So again, go back, just go forward. Okay, again, I'm just going to break that, nice and smooth. Okay, we are totally smooth everywhere. I'm just going to give this a really quick wipe. You know, again, go with the green. Okay. And I'm just basically getting the majority of that fine powder off. I do use tack cloth, but just not at the moment. I'm just getting the majority off with the rag. That's totally fine because this is totally smooth. Nothing really the powder doesn't really hang on to it. And we'll be blowing this off with my gun anyway. That's just with the majority. All right. All right, we'll get this hung back up, and we should be able to start spraying. All right, we're back for the top coat. Obviously, we got everything all scuff sanded, and I got everything rehung, and we should be able to start applying top coat. So again, I'm just going to give this a quick blow, and then we'll get started. Now I'm doing backside first, and then I'm going to switch over to the front. Again, I'm going to do a light coat and then a heavier coat. Gonna let that flash off, and I'll come back. Alright, so we're going for a top coat now. Alright, does it go? We'll see you in a few. Alright, so we are back and we are finished. So this has now been top coated. You see some of the figure, and it's still a little bit wet. This is going to go down to a 25-degree sheen. And this is the back side. All looks good. And of course, I have a little edge over here. And it's all beautiful. So yeah, this should go in nice. Let's go over here and do a little color match here. Okay. I think we're bang on. So yeah, everything turned out good. I think you'll be happy with all. Cheers.